Welcome to Part 3 of Esri Canada's NG9-1-1 Data Manager instructional video series. A new set of tools is available for grid addressing, which is primarily used in rural areas. The type of grid addressing used is set up in the Configurator application. In the Configurator, select the Address tools. Select Grid Addressing, and the grid address options will be displayed. The first option is Grid Addressing, which automatically calculates addresses based on distance and grid values from the start point of a road. To set up the distance and grid spacing, select the Customize expression, and the Arcade editor will be displayed. A sample expression is included and can be edited for your specific needs. The second option is Distance Addressing, where the distance from the start point of the road is used to calculate the address numbers. The values can be set using the Customize expression tool. Again, this can be edited for your values. Prairie's grid addressing has been developed specifically for addressing in Dominion land survey areas. The tool calculates the road number of the road perpendicular to the road being addressed and uses that number as the preface to the address number. A 40-meter grid is used to calculate the address number. Another option in the configurator is to specify whether the tool selects a road in its entirety, regardless of the number of segments, or if it uses only the selected road segment. This determines the start point for addressing. Once the configurator options are set, select Enabled, and then select Save. In the application, select Address by Grid. Select the road, and the Address Grid panel will be displayed. The first option is to set the municipal name and selection method. If the A3 polygon exists, use this option. If not, use the attribute option and select the field from the drop-down list that the municipal name will be obtained. Note that the street name will now be displayed. Select the municipality and then set the address number offset, which is the starting point for the address. Start placing addresses. You can place addresses on the same side of the road and the opposite side of the road. The address numbers will be calculated based on the grid setting in the configurator application. A reference distance using green symbols is displayed along the road and moves as you continue placing address points. When complete, key escape and the address attributes panel will be displayed. All attributes for the street name and address numbers will have been input. The only thing you may wish to add is the postal code, and you can add the postal code to all of the addresses using the Copy This Field button in the hamburger icon. When complete, select Save. Up next is Part 4, Addressing Units.